You keep hearing about funding, funding, funding. Schools have all this funding available to purchase air purifiers for the classrooms, but how do you get it? It's actually quite simple. Federal funding goes to the state gives it to the county, and the county decides whether or not to use it for air purifiers. But, and this is the important part, someone needs to tell them that your school or your district wants purifiers. So here's how you do that. Step 1, contact someone at your school who's in the facilities or purchasing department. Step 2, tell them to contact the county health department, the county executive, or the director of purchasing at the county, and then ask them how you apply for ELC funding. Step 3, tell them you want to use this funding on technology that's recommended by the CDC and the EPA, like the true medical grade HEPA and activated carbon used by Austin Air Systems. You'll be happy to know we also offer a faster, easier solution to the bid process. But hurry, funds expire soon. Visit cleanairinSchool.com.